Seeing roses like this may cause concern, but it's nothing to get really upset about. In the spring and early summer, when roses begin to bloom, sometimes they're attacked by tiny insects called thrips. Now, they'll typically go into the rose bloom and they'll get in there and they have piercing, sucking mouths, and then they cause these browning of the blooms. And actually, I touched this one and it's just falling apart, it disintegrates. And when you look on the inside, you can see tiny little insects that get in there. Now, these aren't typically a problem in the fall, but they're especially a problem in the springtime and in the early summer on roses, especially double roses like we see here, this Belinda's rose. This is a normal bloom that we have here, and I'll take this one inside and enjoy it. It's so beautiful. This is actually one of our Louisiana super plants, Belinda's Dream. Now, thrips especially like these ones that are double blooms or full of all these petals here. Seeing this on our roses can be very disappointing as we look forward to our blooms every spring. Now, using chemical control is not always necessary because remember, when we use insecticides, it can not only affect the harmful insects, it can affect our beneficial insects such as our pollinators. So remove damaged buds. It doesn't always affect every single bloom. You can use organic things such as spinoscids. Systemic insecticides can really help. It's taken up by the plant and may be more effective, but by removing those damaged blooms, you can get the best control. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.